Hello, and welcome to our video on how to check beneficiary eligibility in our self-service portal, NGS Connects. To begin, we will click on the Eligibility tab. Here, we see all of the PTANs we have loaded for our account. For this tutorial, I will use my second PTAN. Click Select next to the applicable PTAN so the entire row is highlighted yellow, and this will bring up the Beneficiary Eligibility Information panel. My PTAN information is blurred to protect information, but yours will be visible. You will need the beneficiary's Medicare number, their last name, and first name or first initial as they appear on the Medicare card. You will also need to enter their date of birth to proceed. These elements are a CMS requirement in order to obtain eligibility information. Enter the information in the required fields and then click the Go icon. This will take us to the eligibility information for the beneficiary. It shows the current Part A and/or Part B entitlement dates, the deductible amount, how much of the deductible the beneficiary has remaining, as well as the therapy amounts that have been used by this beneficiary. By clicking the Show More icon, you are able to view historical information on deductibles and therapy amounts. Click the Show More icon to return to the original view. The scroll bar on the right-hand side of the page will allow you to view additional eligibility information. Here you will see the Medicare secondary payer information. This information is imperative if Medicare is the secondary payer. The Blue Cross and Blue Shield insurer is the primary payer. A provider seeing this beneficiary would first bill Blue Cross and Blue Shield as primary. If necessary, the provider would then bill Medicare as secondary. The information in each section will display in columns, similar to an Excel spreadsheet. If all of the information in a column doesn't display, or if all of the columns do not display, you can expand or shrink the width of the column by clicking the white column divider line and dragging. You can also view the information in the columns by using the scroll bar at the bottom of the section. In the recently updated NGS Connects, you will notice some changes in navigation. One of the changes is how eligibility information related to preventive services will display. The Preventive Services panel is located in the Eligibility Mega tab of the web portal. Here it shows which preventive services the beneficiary has received and when they will be eligible again to receive the service in the future. The search identified a total of 20 records related to preventive services. The first 10 records will initially display. Click the Show More icon to view additional records. You can return to the original view by clicking the Show More icon again. Scroll through the different preventive records by clicking the pagination arrows. You also have the ability to search or browse for a specific preventive service by clicking the Search Browse icon. A navigation crosswalk has been created to assist you with the new icons in NGS Connects. This crosswalk can be found in the NGS Connects user guides and on the ngsmedicare.com website. Alright, now we will move on to our second beneficiary. To do this, scroll to the top of the page and click the search icon again in the Beneficiary Eligibility Information panel. Enter the beneficiary's information as required and click the Go icon. Here we can see that this beneficiary had a Medicare Advantage plan. Now these plans replace traditional Medicare. Note the plan number on the right-hand side as we will use this number to find the contact information for this Medicare Advantage plan. Now to do this, we will need to go out to cms.gov. Once there, we will go to the Research, Statistics, Data and Systems tab. Scroll down until you see the section heading Statistics, Trends, and Reports. Then click the Medicare Advantage/Part D Contract and Enrollment Data link. From this screen, you will click MA Plan Directory in the left-hand section column. Now click the MA Plan Directory hyperlink, then click the current zip file link. This will be titled MA Contract Directory as of X year, X month. This will open up a zip file on your computer, and from here, you're just going to open the very first Excel file. Then once it's open, press the Ctrl and F keys on your keyboard at the same time. This will open up the Find feature in Excel. In the Find box, type in the plan number, in this case H5970, and click Find Next. This will take you to the line item information for that plan. Here you will find the name of the plan, the legal entity, as well as the phone number and address of the Medicare Advantage plan. You will need to contact the beneficiary to obtain the ID number with the Medicare Advantage plan. Stay tuned to the National Government Services YouTube channel for more opportunities to learn about NGS Connects.